weather's moving through. We'll probably leave here about 11, 12 o'clock. Get back in the caravan, get a little weather between here and there. We'll see how this works out. Okay, here's where we are. And we're going all the way over here to St. Louis. Well, I found direct. We got a lot of weather out there, more than I expected. But what we're going to do is we're going to direct just south of Kansas City. The weather to the north seems to be weakening. To the south, it's intensifying. Once we get just outside of Kansas City, we'll decide if we're going to go straight through to St. Louis or if we're going to go to the north and go around. And if we can't get through, we'll just stop in Kansas City and have some barbecue. I mean, it's that simple. Should be easy. Lots of empty concrete. This is the first time you've done this.
I had a great time.
So what'd you think about it?
I thought it was wonderful. I really enjoyed it. I enjoyed spending the time with you. I enjoyed flying in the airplane, sitting in the right seat, experiencing what you do. It's your job.
And this is the first time in 25 years she's flown with me.
Well, I've flown in, well, when other people were flying, I've been in the airplanes with you.
Well, now that's true. Yeah. She flew with me once in a 152 25 years ago. Did not like small little planes. 25 years later, this is the second time she's flown with me.
Yeah, well, I got so sick.
Yeah, that's right. You did get really sick.
So
You
sick.
got motion sickness.
And it was so hot. It was in the middle of summer in Arkansas.
Yeah, you're
It was
right,
miserable.
Yeah. So what is it about this that you liked?
I liked sharing your life with you and sharing your job with you. And I loved the view, even though that plane doesn't go as high as other planes. I think I loved that about it because you could look out the window and you could see the tops of the clouds and you could see the ground and everything and the rivers, and the view was just so beautiful and so spectacular.
It was.
I loved it. I loved that. I really did. I think I liked going slower and seeing all of that more than I like flying in an airliner up above everything and going twice as fast. I really enjoyed that.
Well, good. All right. We missed the thunderstorms. Stayed out of the thunderstorms. They're going to hit us here probably in 20 to 30 minutes, I would say.